I think that I'm the victim of medical malpractice. Is it a good idea for me to represent myself in a medical malpractice case? Want to know the answer to that question? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today quickly about that question. You think you've been the victim of medical malpractice either by something that a doctor did, or you think that a hospital caused your injury, and now you're wondering, should you represent yourself in a case like this? Well, before I go further into this, what I want you to know is that ultimately the decision as to whether you should represent yourself or whether you should hire an attorney is ultimately up to you. But I'm going to talk to you today about some things that you have to be on the lookout for, and why you really need to be honest with yourself if you're trying to go this route. We sometimes have individuals who say, you know what, I'm educated, I'm smart, I can read, I've got a college degree, I think I can get through this. But the thing is with these types of cases is that they are very complex. And Maryland law has what I like to call a lot of landmines in the road for individuals who are trying to do these particular types of cases. For example, if you're representing yourself, you've got to be able to understand, or you have to know, who are you going to sue? Are you going to sue the doctors? Are you going to sue the nurses? Are you going to sue the hospital? Who are you going to sue? Where are you going to sue them? How do you serve them? Which court do you sue them in? Are you going to sue in district court? Are you going to sue in circuit court? Are you going to sue in Montgomery County? Are you going to sue in Prince George's County, Baltimore City? Again, these are things that you have to be on the lookout for. Other things that you have to think about. Will you need a medical expert? Well, if you've been watching our videos, you know that you're going to have a medical expert. But what does that medical expert have to say? What does that expert have to base his or her opinion on? Will you have a medical expert that will be able to testify as to causation? These are just some of the things that a person trying to bring a medical malpractice case has to overcome. So why have I taken the time today to explain this very important topic to you? Because I'm trying to help you understand the process. I'm trying to help you understand that a medical malpractice case, in my legal opinion, is not a good case for you to try to do on your own. If you've watched some of our other videos, you know that sometimes we say that, you know what, it may be okay, or it may be in a client's best interest to file a case on their own. The thing is, though, medical malpractice cases in Maryland are not those types of cases. Well, if you have more questions about this process, if you've watched this video and now you're thinking, you know what, I don't know the answer to any of those questions. I don't know if I'm supposed to file immediately in court, or do I have to go through some type of health arbitration or something like that first? If you have these questions and you realize it's time to talk to someone, this is what I invite you to do. Go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. We answer Maryland medical malpractice questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to listen to your story. Also, it costs you absolutely nothing to pick up the phone and give me a call. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.